Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel, and follow me through as we go towards Niseko adventure. Let's go. I just woke up. Gonna eat pizza. So let's go in. It's so cold out there. Oh, lump.
Yeah.
Can you see? Follow these. Wanna see some cheese? Let's go. I don't know what kind of cheese it is, but it's cuties. You have the more traditional wheels. Look at that cheese. We even have these. Nihon cheese. Oh, and this is where they make the cheese. That's the wheel for the cheese. No one's making any cheese today.
Yeah.
Aww. They're the real cheese makers. This is the yogurt factory, supposedly, but it seems like it's been turned down to pieces. There's nothing in here, but look at that. Hi there. I'm gonna teach you how to ride a tractor. Ta-da! Oh, hey there. I'm gonna show you my hammock. Come on. This is my house. And there's my hammock. Come with me. This is my hammock. And this is how you run. You just sit and you just let the breeze. Oh shit! Holy shit! And you just pray to God that this does not snap, and you just have to lie down. I'm on top of a haystack.
Another 1 kilometer
What?
altitude from sea level.
Scary lot. I'm on top of the world. Yes. let's check out some Baumkuchen and chocolate. Some chocolate. Wow, that's so pretty. I would only buy it because of how it looks. The packaging is impeccable. Look at that. The golden foil part is so pretty. What? It's a milk jam. What is this? Honey cacao nibs. You can nib it. Let's check on things that they have. Oh, we have some cookies. And what is this? Oh, okay. Very pretty.
İçine ekliyoruz. İçine